Oh, well, hello, everybody. This is Miss Ann from Bethlehem Public Library. I have borrowed a picture book from our newest digital resource, Hoopla Digital, and it is called A Bear Sat on My Porch Today. Chronicle Books is the publisher, and they have granted us permission to read this aloud to you. Let's take a look inside the book. Oh, look at those end papers. They're beautiful. That is a beautiful blue. You see on the left, the bear is coming out of the trees. Looks like he's headed for that house. Now watch what my cursor does. Ooh, so I'm moving my mouse, and my cursor is like a magnifying glass. Look at that. I can see the bear close up. Or if I move my mouse, there's the bear far away. All right, let's take a look at the title page. A Bear Sat on My Porch Today. Story by Jane Yolen. Art by Rila Alexander. A bear sat on my porch today and wanted to stay and wanted to stay. A bear sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. What should I do? Oh, boo, shoo. No, I won't go. Okay, you can stay. Just don't scare my mommy. A squirrel sat on my porch today, his fur all gray, shaggy and gray. What should I do? Boo, shoo. Aw, a nut and a seed is what I need. Okay, you can stay. Only get away from the bird feeders. A squirrel sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A skunk sat on my porch today and started to spray and started to spray. Phew, oh, boo, shoo. It's just some perfume to clear the room. Okay, you can stay, though you definitely can't come into the house. A skunk sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A possum sat on my porch today and started to play and started to play. A possum sat on my porch today. Oh, boo! Oh, shoo! Oh, what should I do? Play, Dad. Yeah, play, Dad. Or sing instead. Okay, you can stay. Just don't squeak too loudly. Oh, wow, that's not just a possum, is it? That's a possum and some possum babies. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possum babies. She brought her family 8 in all, a passel of possums. Oh, what a sprawl. A raccoon sat on my porch today and wanted to play and wanted to play. Oh, what should I do? Boo! Shoo! Glad you asked. Grab a mask. Okay, you can stay. Just don't wake the babies. Well, yep, the possum babies are sleeping. Well, most of them. That raccoon sat on my porch today. He just wouldn't go away. A moose sat on my porch today. The porch began to shift and sway. Oh, what should I do? Boo! Shoo! Oh, it may seem absurd, but you're my new herd. The moose just wants a new herd. Okay, you can stay, but 1 meal a day is all you get. A moose sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A jay sat on my porch today, a bright blue jay, a loud-mouthed jay. Boo! Shoo! What should I do? Squawk! Squawk! No rough talk. Oh, look, we can follow the J with that broken blue line. There's our J coming in. And look at that. The J is flying around the moose and around the bear and the possums and the squirrel. Oh, all the way down to the bottom of the page and back up. Lands right on the stairs again. A jay sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. Wait! Look out! Crash! Smash! Uh-oh. That does not look good. What's happening? Oh, yep. The porch fell down. Oh, help! Okay. Who was that who said okay? Can you see who said okay? Let's see. Ears. I think those ears belong to Bear. Bear said okay. Bear grabbed a broom, Squirrel a pail, Skunk carted over, hammer and nail. Possum brought wood from barn and shed. Raccoon splashed paint, green and red. Moose gave the floorboards a very good shine, and then it was time for us to dine. So I made lunch for my hard-working bunch, except, of course, that loud-mouthed Jay, 'cause he'd already flown far away. Goodbye, Mr. Jay. Can you see who else is saying goodbye to the Jay? Moose is saying goodbye. Wow, that's a lot of stuff for their lunch, huh? We got acorns and watermelon and grapes and pineapple. Oh, you're right. Possum and her baby are saying goodbye too. We're awfully sorry you didn't stay. Bye. Oh, well, I'm not sorry to see him go. He left an awful mess, you know. Oh, that bear. Oh, who else is saying goodbye to the Jay? Bye, bye, bye. Yep, the baby possums, even Skunk. Bye. Oh, that Jay didn't fly very far away, did the Jay? Look at that. Yum. Why is the Jay saying yum? That's right, the Jay found the bird feeders. Yummy, yummy. The end. Whoa, that porch looks a little different than in the beginning, doesn't it? I think they made it bigger when they rebuilt it. Look at them taking their post-lunch naps. Oh, yep, that porch is definitely bigger. And look, they have a new sign. It says, "Everybody welcome." The end. Well, thank you for joining me for A Bear Sat on My Porch today. Story by Jane Yolen and art by Rilla Alexander. Have a great day, everybody.